Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting with a power cycle and quick prep. Unplug the power cable and Ethernet, then wait 60 seconds so any residual charge clears. While you wait, move the Xbox to a ventilated surface with 2-3 inches of clearance around vents to prevent thermal throttling. Once done, sign into your account and confirm cloud saves are current or copy important profiles to an external drive. This protects progress when you perform system-level resets or offline updates next. Now focus on software. Open settings and install any pending console and controller updates because outdated firmware can delay boot sequences. After updates, clear temporary and persistent storage where applicable. This removes cached files that can block fast startup. Next, uninstall unused games and apps until you free roughly 10–20% of internal storage, since low free space slows system services. Once complete, perform a soft restart from the power menu and watch for improved boot times as services rebuild their caches. If boot is still slow, escalate with a targeted reset. Choose Reset and keep My Games and Apps to refresh OS files without redownloading everything, or pick Remove Everything for a clean slate if corruption persists. If online updates fail, create an offline system update, ASU1, on a USB and apply it through the Troubleshooting menu. This restores firmware reliably. Finally, if problems continue, capture any error codes and the console serial and contact Xbox support. They can check hardware faults and advise on repairs or replacement options.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.